So guys, many people are confused that should they buy the iPhone XS or should they go for the iPhone 11. The iPhone XS is available around 68 to 70,000 rupees, whereas the iPhone 11 is available around 68,000 rupees. So guys, in my today's video, I'm going to be giving you my honest opinion and I'm going to be discussing that why I bought the iPhone XS instead of the iPhone 11. So guys, today's video is going to be very interesting, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then definitely consider subscribing to my channel because it gives me the motivation to make more of this kind of videos. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, first of all, let me discuss that why I bought the iPhone XS instead of the iPhone 11, and let me tell you, I was not even imagining that I will buy the XS because I was earlier confused between buying a used iPhone X or a brand new iPhone XR. The brand new iPhone XR was available around 48 to 54,000 rupees. On the other hand, I just called my nearest Apple reseller and they said that they are having a replacement unit of the iPhone XS, and I got it for a pretty good value, and because of which I bought the iPhone XS. I was not even imagining of buying the XS or the 11. So guys, now let me tell you that both of the iPhones, let that be the iPhone XS or the iPhone 11, both of them are pretty great. The iPhone XS will provide you great software support and great processing power for more upcoming 3 to 4 years, whereas the iPhone 11 will provide you everything better for 4 to 5 years. So in a long term usage, the iPhone 11 will provide you 1 year of extra support than the existing iPhone XS. And guys, typical person uses their iPhone or a smartphone for 3 to 4 years. So guys, in short, you don't really need a iPhone like the iPhone 11 so that you will get 5 years of software support. So guys, if I want, I can keep on discussing between the differences of the iPhone XS and the iPhone 11, but in real life usage, you don't really care that much. The iPhone XS or the iPhone 11 are both great iPhones. With the iPhone XS, you are getting the stainless steel and glass build, which is very premium, whereas with the iPhone 11, you are getting a bigger battery and aluminium borders. So guys, both of the iPhones are having the pros and the cons, but in reality, both of the iPhones are delivering you great specifications for the value. And guys, take example like with the iPhone XS, you are getting the most color accurate OLED display. With the iPhone 11, you are getting the most color accurate IPS LCD display. And guys, trust me, the OLED display is always better than the LCD display, but the display found in the iPhone XR and iPhone 11 is not at all bad. Like many people just care about the resolution, that the display only supports 720p content. It is not even a 1080p display, but guys, in reality, you don't really notice it that much. So guys, the display quality of the 11 is not at all bad. So guys, the most differentiable factor between both of the iPhones has to be the cameras and the battery life. Well guys, I have already made a video regarding the battery backup of the iPhone XS, and for my personal usage, I am easily getting 1 day of complete battery life, whereas with the iPhone 11, you are getting much more improved battery life. If your main concern is in terms of a great battery life, then the iPhone 11 is a clear winner, because guys, it is going to be providing literally 2 days of battery life for a normal user, whereas if you are a heavy gamer, you are going to be easily getting 1 complete day of battery. And guys, if your main priority is in terms of the gaming or in terms of the cameras, then the iPhone 11 is a clear winner. With the iPhone XS, you are getting a 12 megapixel primary camera and a 12 megapixel 2x telephoto lens, whereas with the iPhone 11, you are getting the 12 megapixel primary camera and a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. So guys, if you will personally ask me, I will always prefer a ultra wide angle camera instead of a telephoto lens, because very rarely we take any zoomed photos, while on the other hand, ultra wide angle lens is very much useful. So guys, in terms of the cameras, the iPhone XS is not at all bad. I am literally blown away with the photo and video quality of this iPhone. Literally guys, I am really safe in terms of the video recording. I can record 4K up to 60 frames per second, and that too with a greater dynamic dynamic range. So the iPhone XS in terms of the photo quality and video quality is up to the point. But if you want even a better version of the iPhone XS, then the iPhone 11 is a clear winner. So guys, let me tell you that both of the iPhones are having the plus points and the negative points. I personally am really liking the build quality of the iPhone XS. It is a very nice, small and a compact iPhone, whereas with the iPhone 11 everything is just better. So guys, I don't want to take a lot of your time, but I just want to conclude one thing, that if you want to buy an iPhone in terms of the great video quality, in terms of great photo quality, and if your main priority is in terms of gaming, then the iPhone 11 is a clear winner. Well guys, I will definitely prefer or recommend everybody to buy the iPhone 11 instead of the iPhone XS. So guys, I hope that you have liked today's video. Guys, both of the iPhones are great. None of the iPhone is bad at all, but just one iPhone is slightly better than the other. But the biggest contributing factor is in terms of the price tag. And guys, try your level best to get as much as discount possible in a particular iPhone. So guys, thanks a lot for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, then definitely consider subscribing to my channel. And I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.